have every flavor besides one. I couldn't find it. Every flavor of the, hold on, let me see if I can carry it down. Every flavor of the MONACO's drinks. Okay, so like I said, I was watching Evelyn. I'm like, oh, that was a cool idea to try every flavor of those waters. I'm like, let me do something for the sip. You know, if you knew, the sip is where I test out and review various wines specifically, but every now and again I will tiptoe into like the liquors, like the hard liquors and these like little general drinks that you can find at like the drugstore, Quick Trip, gas station, stuff like that. And vodka, I believe. So this is the original MONACO's Citrus Rush, and it's tequila. I love tequila. Y'all know I love tequila. Tequila Lime Crush, a premium mixed drink made with tequila, lime, liquor, artificial flavor, and certified color. Contains tequila, gluten-free. Blue Crush, I tried this one last night, but I went back to Quick Trip to get it. Blue Crush, a premium mixed drink made with vodka, gin, rum, tequila, and blue Curaçao liquor. So it was kind of strong for me. Mango Peach, a premium mixed drink made with vodka, natural flavor, and certified colors. Okay, now this is the one I know is going to taste the best, because cranberry and alcohol, they just mesh. They mesh so well. I know this one is probably going to be my favorite, or the tequila one, because I love tequila. So this is cranberry, a premium mixed drink made with vodka, natural flavors, and certified colors. Again, they're all gluten-free. So the only one that I did not get was the black raspberry, which I'm cool with because I'm not a big fan of raspberry anyway. So that was fine with me. Okay. So I did plan on trying this one first. Well, I did plan on it. I can't get a grip on it. I gotta scroll. But this is the citrus, I can't say that, citrus rush, and it tastes like energy drink. An infusion of citrus flavors and subtle floral and vanilla notes with an incredibly smooth finish. It tastes like Red Bull on steroids. This was the first one I ever had. So good. Anyway, my glass is spotty, so excuse that. Okay, that is the color of citrus. It tastes like Red Bull. Okay, the weird thing about Blue Crush, I don't see it on the website unless I'm overlooking it. I don't see a good general description of it like the other ones. Yeah, I don't see a good description like the other. Okay, next one. Blue Crush. It's strong. I like it, but you can taste the gin. So it's strong. Like, it's not knock you out, you flat dead drunk just drinking one of these strong, but it does have some kickback. I would get it again, but just know that you can taste the gin. If you're not a big gin drinker, whew, huh. That's probably why I was stuck on that one from last night, because I don't need nothing else. Okay, this one is blue. Such a pretty blue. That's a nice nail color. don't know what happened last night, but I swear it tastes stronger today than it did last night. Anyway, got 3 left. These are my 3 that I have left. I dropped this other one. I'm just gonna pick, okay. Mango peach. I'm not a big peach. No, I'm sorry. I'm not a big mango fan. I just find the fruit to be too strong. Yeah, it's too strong. Mango peach vodka cocktail, freshly pressed mango juice flavors, blended with 2 shots of peach vodka, balanced to perfection. Now my cousin said this is, she liked the orange one, which is this one. That's good. I like. This one is good. It tastes like I'm on the beach. Breezy. This peach fields, peach trees. This one. It has a strong taste, but I really believe that's because mango is just strong in flavor. But the peach, like I said, it balances each other out, like the mangoes and the peach. This might be my new favorite. I can't stop sipping this one. Yes, come on, mango. Okay. It kind of got like a little peach. Come on, peach. Color to it, I guess. Because I really felt like mango peach was gonna be like the worst one for me because I don't like mangoes, but it is a perfect blend. I'm so surprised. You know what would have been a good idea is to do another drunk makeup challenge like I did last year for Valentine's Day. I believe it was last year. It might have been this year. I don't know. And drunk all 5 and then try to do my makeup. I think I got an idea. You gotta say yes to another drunk makeup challenge video in the comments and I just might do it. Cause I mean, I still got a lot of this one left. A lot, yeah. A lot of the Blue Crush left. Just cause I'm afraid of this one. I'm afraid of this because okay. Tequila Lime Crush. This anyway. Monaco Tequila Lime Crush. I gotta feel I would like this. I would like it so much. It might get finished tonight. Okay? Let's see. Oh, let me get the description up. Oh my god. Tastes like a margarita. I mean, smells like a straight margarita. Made with 100% blue agave tequila. Let me see. Come on. It's just good, you know, like there's not much to say about this one. It's just good. The lime is so good, like how did they do that? Oh, okay, this one clear. Well, most of them, yeah, duh, Dominique. upside down because I spilled the drink. A premium mixed drink with a smooth, clean finish, served chilled or on the rocks, contains FD and C yellow number 5, contains alcohol. That's good. Okay, so I spilled the cranberry. Cranberry is right here. Let's read the description. A refreshing cocktail of all natural pressed cranberry flavors blended with 2 shots of 4-time distilled vodka. Traditional perfection. 4 times distilled. Okay. It smells so good. Maybe I need to cleanse my palate. I don't. I'm highly disappointed. Highly disappointed because I thought this would be the best one. I can't even describe how bland this is. You know how like potatoes taste before you season them? That's this one. I don't know what happened. Like, I'm sad. Like, I can't describe it, but this one's not good and it's very upsetting. And what happened? Like, how you not make cranberry and vodka taste good? You know what I'm saying? Like, cranberry and vodka go together. They go hand in hand. They like PB&J. They like macaroni and cheese. They like all the good stuff that makes sense in the world. Like, I don't know, but this doesn't taste like, it don't taste like anything. Okay, that was the Cutler. I hope y'all seen it. That was fast because I'm over it. Like, okay, at first let me do mango peach is my new favorite. Whoop, whoop. Then I gotta say the citrus rush is my second favorite. Then betwixt these two, whoo, shit. Excuse me. I'm gonna go with tequila, and then I'm gonna go with Blue Crush, and last but least is the cranberry because I don't know what happened. Tequila is good, okay? Tequila is good, but I don't know if it's hitting like the mango peach, because the mango peach, she just the baddest. Like, I don't think nobody in here can touch her. Like, mango peach is like walking along the beach. Like, it's Myrtle Beach. It's Miami Beach. Got the sugar and salt around the rim. If they ask you, do you want sugar and salt around the rim? Ask for both, because when you blend those two, it makes the margarita so much better, I promise you. Blue Crush. Cranberry. I just can't. Like, how do you mix up vodka and cranberry? Like, it makes no sense. I think I'm tipsy, so Monaco drinks. This stain is not drying, and it's a new sweater. I got this sweater when I was in New York. I want to go back so bad.